Okay, so I am here on the phone with my friend Cynthia because I just learned that this beautiful apron can also double as a basket for when I'm doing my gardening. So I have no idea how that works, so I have her on the phone. Hi, Cynthia.
Hi, definitely. I'm waiting for you to call me and ask the question. Yeah, it is called the harvest apron,
Harvest
and
apron.
not only side and reverse side is
Uh-huh.
beautiful, and you wear it on your belt. And then, did you notice there's a little loop in the center of the waistband in the front?
Yes, I did, and I was like
Now,
wondering what that was for.
forward when you wear it, and then you pull the string all the way up because the string is connected to all around it. So if you pull, it become a gather the four corner or all
Okay.
around it,
Well, let me
and
let
then
me let me see. Okay, so first I put it on, right?
yes,
Okay,
and then
so
you bend down and pull the ball from the underneath.
okay, wait, let me catch up to you. So, all right. So now I have it on.
Okay, you pull the string. The tight ball should be in the middle. So you pull it
Pull
upward
pull it.
until the string kind of gather the all around the
Oh.
edge of the apron
Oh
and
yeah.
form into a basket.
Oh, look at that. Okay, so now that
Does it
I've
work?
gathered it, what do I do with the string and the
Okay,
ball?
and then you're gonna have a lot of string in your hand, right, with a ball,
Right?
and stick that ball into the loop in your belly button and tie it. You get it? I
Okay,
sent
so
you a
now
pic. I
uh,
sent you a picture of me wearing that
okay,
gathered up basket.
I think I kind of got it. Yeah, okay, so I just kind of like did a shoe tie with it, sort of.
Yes.
And oh, look at that. That's genius. Is that your
I,
design or did you see that somewhere?
yeah, isn't that wonderful? It's called the harvest apron. You
Harvest
wear it, then
apron.
you go pick your squash or beans, mostly better for beans and lemons and apples. Yeah,
Wow. I'm mind blown by that because, I was already excited that it was a two-sided, like a reversible apron. But now it's a two-sided reversible apron and a harvest basket.
isn't that wonderful?
Oh man, that's just like way cool. Okay, people might see this and they may start wanting to know this pattern or they may start wanting to order these. So get
All
ready.
right, I'll make an order for them
Get
for you.
ready. But I think okay, so I have to like really gather it nice and
Yes, you
tight.
just pull it tight and gather upward, and then you tie it in your little loop.
Right.
Become an open pass basket, and reverse side works the same too.
Uh that's really, really cool.
You can
I
see it
love
on the
it.
video of me.
I love it. So I better be a better gardener this year because I need to use my
Oh yes,
harvest
you
apron.
gotta do a better job in your garden so you have something to fill it up.
That's right. Because in 2023 my gardening was it was a bust. I mean the locust and and the aphids ate up everything. So I'm
Well, then
gonna figure out a way
you're
to,
not alone.
yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out a way to combat that in 2024. Thank you,
And let's
Sylvia, for.
wait for the springtime to come, and then we can enjoy everything.
Yes, absolutely. Well, thank you so much for coaching me through this because when you text me and told me it became a basket and I saw your picture, I'm like, how does she do that? So I thought this might be a good moment to put it on the blog so everybody else could
Let
see
me
too.
know who else want to have one, and now I have a lot of beautiful fabric.
Okay, I don't know if
So let's
anyone
wait
heard
for the
that, but she
time.
said if you would like to have one, she has a lot of beautiful fabric and she's happy to make one for you. So let me know and I'll pass it on to my friend Cynthia.
Any good friend of Beverly is a good friend of mine.
Ah, that's just too
Okay.
sweet.
You take care.
All right, thank you, dear. Talk to you
Okay.
soon.
Love you.
Hey, love you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, that's it for this blog. I just wanted to show you this ingenious design. I had no idea what I was just thinking it was a beautiful apron, but amazing, amazing. So Cynthia said if you'd like to have one of these beautiful aprons, to let me know and I will pass it on to her. And hey, before you start harvesting all of your goodies, you'll have one of these beauties to get out there in your garden. All right, have a blessed one. See you later.